In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum from Coinspot to MetaMask and back. We'll begin in MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet and log in. Before you copy anything, make sure you're on the Ethereum network, since that's the network this transfer is meant to use. Once you're on the correct network, copy your wallet address. A MetaMask Ethereum address will start with 0x. This is the address you'll use to receive your ETH, so it's important to copy it exactly as shown. Next, open Coinspot and log into your account. From there, go to the Wallet section, find Ethereum, also listed as ETH, and select it. This takes you to the page where you can manage your Ethereum balance. Now choose the Send option. When prompted, select the option to send ETH to an external wallet. This is the correct choice because MetaMask is a separate wallet outside of Coinspot. After that, paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient or wallet address field. Take your time here and double check the full address carefully. Even a small mistake can send funds to the wrong destination, and crypto transactions usually can't be reversed. The next part is choosing the network. If you're sending ETH to MetaMask on its standard Ethereum setup, select the Ethereum or ERC20 network. This is very important. Don't choose a different network unless your MetaMask wallet has been specifically set up to receive ETH on that network. Using the wrong network can create delays or cause your funds to be inaccessible. Once the network is correct, enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Before continuing, review the transaction fee and the final amount that will actually arrive. This helps you avoid surprises and makes sure the transfer matches what you expect. Then review everything one more time: the wallet address, the selected network, the amount, and the fee. If all the details are correct, confirm the withdrawal. Coinspot may ask you to complete a security step or approve the transaction through a confirmation message, so make sure you finish that part as well. After the transfer is submitted, wait for the blockchain transaction to complete. Then go back to MetaMask and check your wallet. Your ETH should appear there once the transaction is processed. In many cases, this only takes a few minutes, but Coinspot notes that some withdrawals can take up to 12 hours, so don't panic if it doesn't show up instantly. That's the full process for moving Ethereum from Coinspot to MetaMask. The key things to remember are to use the correct wallet address, choose the Ethereum network, and review every detail before confirming.